Hi, I'm Momo, and this is pretty much a random video. Um, wow, the only person that really watches these videos are Chris G, which is Chris Gregory. Thank you for watching them, even though they're pretty random and boring, but thank you. Um, I'm probably just gonna sing random songs while I'm commenting that watches my video, which I just said his name. Alright, here we go. Hey now, baby, now you look at someone. She's making me loving. Baby, you need a girl like me to feel like everything. Tell me why you cry. You take my hand, like roses around your arms. I care for you. Don't you know, baby, no, it's no, I care for you. Was a girl in you pain? So if I let you go, she must be inside. Baby, there's no need to worry. When you hold me, I'll come in the I'll care for you if I do. But me, baby. Alright, well, I pretty much finished my video, and I'm gonna make another one, so if you commenters, it's lame. Momo, oh my gosh, you're signing out. Momo is awesome signing out. Momo, awesome signing out. Bye.